Good morning and Assalamu alaikum, my students, my fellows. Hope you will good and well. Okay. So today our next topic, the use of force, and today we'll do exercise doing correct option and true false. So let's start or not. Before I start our next lecture, I want to something for these summer days. As you know, these are so much hottest day. These are hottest day because it's month of May. ऐसा ही है ना. तो इस मौसम में प्लीज़ अवॉइड करें बाहर जाने से. जहां आप समझते हैं कि आपने बाहर नहीं जाना, यहाँ ज़रूरी नहीं है, तो अवॉइड करें इसे. बिकॉज इसी मौसम में जो है वो सनस्ट्रोक जो है वो हो जाता है. और आई एम श्योर दैट यू नो सनस्ट्रोक और it's also called a heat stroke. Actually, sunstroke or heat stroke, same thing, and it's caused by a hottest in summers weathers or sunny weather. So we should avoid गोइंग टू आउटसाइड. हमने अवॉइड करना चाहिए इन चीज़ों से कि जहाँ वी अंडरस्टैंड दैट्स नॉट ए नेसेसरी फॉर दैट. सो हमें वहाँ नहीं जाना जहाँ ज़रूरी नहीं है. ओके. बिकॉज सनस्ट्रोक और हीट स्ट्रोक इट्स कैन कॉज ऑफ high fever. So and some other disease just like diarrhea and okay, dehydration. So take care your and your lovers. So next start lectures. Okay. So use of force. Solving or exercise. Okay. First question, let's see. Question, choose the correct answer. Right answer. Okay, and we will do only answer just one, two, three, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Okay, so let's start. First, who is I in the story The Use of Force? Who is I in the story The Use of Force? The father, the doctor, the mother, the sick child. So B is the right answer. Doctor. B is the right answer. And next, they did not know what to say. Yes. Next, two. The parents were nervous because they did not want to tell the doctor. They did not know what to say, and they wanted the doctors to tell them everything. So, and the child did not tell anything. The doctor was impressed. They wanted the doctor to tell them everything. C is the right answer. 2. C is the right answer. And 3. The doctor was impressed by the beauty of child, by the parents, by the patient of child, and by the patient of parents, and by the picture of child he had seen in Sunday papers. So 3, by the beauty of child, is the right answer. By a beauty of child. And next, the doctor took a trial shot of it means A. He made a wild guess to begin with. He gave her shout. He took parents' toss and the girl carefully, and he examined the girl carefully. So he made a wild guess to begin with. He made a wild guess to begin with. So A is a right answer. Right answer. Okay. And 5, number 5, the doctor feared that the child might be suffering from diphtheria from the appearance of child, and the parents told him so from the examination of child and the guess because D had been such cases in the local school. Number 5. Yes, D is the right answer. And number 6. The child did not respond to the doctor's instruction because she was afraid of doctor. She was a stubborn child and her parents had tried to open her mouth. She was angry. So she was afraid of doctor. A is the right answer. And number 7, the doctor ground his teeth in anger because the child did not respond. The parents did not let him handle the child. The child had knocked his glasses and the mother told the girl he would not hurt you. Okay, the child had knocked them. So B is a right answer. Number 7, B is a right answer. And number 7, the doctor had almost succeeded in opening the mouth of the girl but failed to see because the child resisted strongly. The parents' love made the father release her at the last moment, and the rough handling hurt the child. And D, the mother stopped him. The child resisting strongly. A is a right answer. Okay, and question 2. Right. Ticket cross true and false sentences. Okay, so let's next question, true false. So the story, the use of force is about a sick child. Yes, true. It's a true. So firstly, so A is a true. And The parents take the sick child to the doctor. False. Number 2. Okay. So, note A, B. So I think this I need to cross. And 3. The doctor is impressed by the innocent beauty of the child. Yes, true. 3, true. And number 4, the doctor thinks that the girl may be suffering from diphtheria. Yes, true. And not the parents think so, not the doctor. So number 4, true. And 5, the doctors makes a guess because there have been some diphtheria cases in the local school. False. Not the parents make a guess, not a doctor. So it's a false. And next, the girl refuses to open her mouth for examination or checkup. Yes, true. And the parents join the doctor in the opening the mouth of the sick child. Yes, true. Number 7, true. And number 8, they succeed in opening the mouth of sick child. Yes, it's a true. Okay, and we have done question 1 and question 2. So and then fill in the blanks. Write down the question. Okay, students. See you next. Thank you so much.